Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are gonna see how to create this attractive poster. Just stay till the end to see the final result. Before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel to see more creative ideas. Let's go! Choose Object Selection tool. Click on the Object Finder. Click on the picture. Select and mask. Select Refine Edge. Start to repair your selection. Choose this option. Now open New Document and apply this settings. Paste this code here. Choose Paint Bucket tool and click on the background. Follow this settings. Turn off the gradient layer first. Choose Text tool. Click on the background. Write the brand's name. Adjust the text like this. Duplicate the text layer and put it on bottom. Select both layers and change the opacity. Select the text layer. Double-click and do these changes. Adjust the text again like that. Bring the gradient layer on top. Go to Previous Document and bring the picture to your project. Adjust the picture. Click on the mask. Go to Filters. Make these changes. Follow these steps. Create new empty layer. Select Brush tool. Bring the shadow layer on bottom. Change the opacity. Double-click. Follow these steps. Choose Text tool. Write your product's name. Select the text. Paste this code here. Change this setting. Again, select Text tool. Draw and square like this. Write details about your product. Adjust the size. Go to First Document and follow these steps. Write name for each layer. Select both layers and move them to your main document. Select the layer. Go to Filters and choose Motion Blur. Do the same things for next layer. Create new layer. Paste this code here. Choose Brush tool. Choose the layer and reduce opacity. Paste this code here. Select Rectangle tool. Draw a shape like this. Choose Text tool. Follow these steps again. Adjust the size. Press Shift to change the size. Select Rectangle. Create new layer top of the shape. Hold the cursor between two layers. Press Alt and click. Now follow these steps. Click Picture Layer. Go to Adjustment Layer. Create Hue/Saturation. Clip Mask this layer. Now adjust brightness and contrast. Now import texture to your project. Bring the texture under all the layers. Select the layer and change the layer mode to Color Dodge and reduce opacity. At the end, we add drop shadow to the texts. Same settings. Here is the final project.